Today we're making frosted luminaries. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are making a late addition to my holiday decorations. We're making frosted luminaries. Now these are really cool and it was really simple to do. However, I will warn you, the sealer that I used was quite smelly, so do use it outside. But you're saying, well, what is the step? Alright, the steps are really simple. First, I took clean jars and then I coated them with Mod Podge. If you're wondering where to get all the things that I use in this project, it is listed down in the description. That take you to my Amazon affiliate links. So then I coated them with Mod Podge and then sprinkled them in Epsom salt. Rolled it, sprinkled it, did everything, and then just let it dry. Yeah, first step is really that simple. Once they are dry, you're saying,
well, why can't I use that?
Well, there is a really simple reason. You will notice that sometimes the Epsom salt will break off or just sort of flake off. So what you have to do is you have to seal it to make sure that it stays on there. This is the part you want to do outside. The day I went to do this, of course, it was raining and windy and really bad, so I had to do this in my garage with my garage door open. Don't worry, it was open. And I sprayed it down with 3 coats and then let it dry. Make sure to let it dry in between each coat. Once it was dried, I thought, well, this is nice, but it still looks like a jar. So I just wrapped the top with some string around it, and I was done. It was that simple. I placed them about my house and then added electric candles. Please remember, if you're going to use real candles, I'm not 100% certain I would do that, but I really wouldn't. I would use electric candles. Please remember to use electric candles with this, just for the simple safety factor. You will notice that my candles are rechargeable. They are listed down in the description. And it just is just a wonderful look. It just made me very, very happy. And I really do. I love them. Now you're wondering, well, what kind of jars that you can use? That's why I did this. One of the things that you'll notice is that the big jars are actually plastic jars. All of these are just regular jars that I'd gotten food in, whatever, and then did the whole process with them. The plastic jars work just as good as, or just as well as the glass jars, and it's wonderful. This is a fun project you can do. Just remember to seal it in a well-ventilated area. Well, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. If this is your first time here, remember to subscribe, hit that like button, and also ring that bell so that way you get notifications when I do new videos. Thank you for watching this. I hope you're having a great holiday season. I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you and I hope I get to see you again next time.